In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a forced copy of a Google form. So here is a Google form that I have. It's already published, so we can see right here that it's published. That is important. You need to publish it first. And let's say I want to share this snowman check-in with one of my colleagues, but I don't want to just give her my link to the Google form. And because if she would share this out with her students, then her students' responses would be mixed in with my students' responses. So I want to share it with her, but I want her to have her own copy. So you can do that in the new version of Google Forms. It's just there's a couple steps. So follow along. The first thing I have to do is I have to add my colleague as a collaborator. So in the old Google Forms, we would go over here and there would be an option that says add collaborators, but you see that's not there. So we're going to go to the Head and Shoulders guy with the little plus sign. Whoop. And now people with access, and then you have general access down here. Now I don't want to give everyone in the world editing access to my Google form. I just want to give my colleague Gabby access to the Google form so that she can make a copy. So I am going to add her up here at the top. Now the default is that she has responder access where she can just respond to the form. That's the default. I'm going to change it so she has editing access. I don't want to notify her with an email, so I'm going to unselect that. And I'm going to click share. Now you might be thinking, oh, don't you want to grab that link? That's not the link we want. We do not want the responder link. Okay, so I'm just going to click share. And the link that I want to share with her is actually the URL link way up here in the Omnibox. So I am going to copy this. So just Control C, or you can right click and copy. I'm going to go over here to Gabby's computer, and I'm going to drop in that URL. But wait, I'm not going to hit enter because I need to change that edit right here at the end. I need to change that to copy. Let me say that again. You're going to change it from edit to copy. So I would probably put this in an email, drop that link, and then delete, edit, type in copy, and then share that link in an email or in a document. And then I'm going to hit enter just so you can see what it looks like. So we have copy. Would you like to make a copy of Let's Break the Ice? There's a little blue button here where she can click to make a copy. And here is the copy. It even says copy of, so you probably want to get rid of that. It's not even published. And if I click on the Head and Shoulders dude, you'll see that Gabby has access. I do not have access anymore. So that when her students fill out this Google form, I will not get their responses messed up with mine, but I can still share with my colleague. All right, that's how you make a forced copy of a Google form. Have a great day.